Hey, what's up everybody? This is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I will show you exactly how to make money online. So guys, if you are looking for how to make money online, fast, or how to earn money online, how to make passive income online, then guys, this video is for you. In this video I will show you how to make money online, and I will also tell you my #1 way to make money online. Right guys, so without any delay, let I tell you how to make money online. Guys, first, as you know that there are so many ways to make money online. Like you can start selling your own product, right? You can start selling your own course, and what you can do, you can start selling your physical product, right? You can start selling your digital product, right? And you can start selling website, right? You can just start flipping the website, mean to say you create a website, right? And you can sell this website on Flipkart, right? Like Flipkart, it's a place where you can sell and purchase website, as well as you can also sell and purchase domain, guys, right? And yes, you can start doing dropshipping. So guys, as you can see that, guys, there are so many ways to make money online, guys, that you can do that, right? But here is my #1 way to make money online, and this is affiliate marketing, guys. Yes, guys, affiliate marketing. Guys, affiliate marketing is a simple business model where what we do, we pick someone else's product in our market or in our niche or in our subject where we have interest, or where we see that yes, there is a demand, right? And there we can make money too, right? So we pick that product and we start promoting that very product on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, right? And when somebody buys that product through our unique affiliate link, we make commission. So this is what affiliate marketing is, right? We don't have to create any product, guys. Everything is done by company or by the person whom product that we are promoting, guys. They handle every sport, they just look after every quality of the product. So we don't need to have to do anything, right? We just pick our product that we want to promote, right, in our niche, and we start promoting that very product to our unique affiliate link, guys. And when somebody buys that product through our unique link, we make commission, right? So this is what affiliate marketing is, and this is one of the best way to make money online. And you can see that, guys, I have made over $1,000 in last 13 days just by affiliate, just by affiliate marketing, right? Just by promoting affiliate product. You can see that, guys. Like there is a product that is free 30 days summit, guys. By promoting this, I have made $500, right? It is by affiliate marketing, right? And there is another product, guys. You can see that I have made $300, right? And it's a free affiliate bootcamp summit, right? And there is another product, guys, that I'm promoting currently, guys. It is one funnel level challenge, guys. And you can see I have made $3,600, guys, just by doing affiliate marketing, guys. So what I did, guys, I just picked up program, right? As in my case, it is Clickfunnels, guys. It's a software through which we can create professional looking landing page, thank you page, and yes, we can also create funnels with the help of Clickfunnels, guys. So you can see, right? You can see that this is my account, guys, that I have created, and let us show you how a funnel looks. So guys, this is the funnel that I have created, guys. Can you see that, guys? That I show you. So yes, guys, this is my funnel, guys, where I'm offering free training, right? Revealing that how I made $2,500, right? Using my free 12 strategies, guys, right? Without spending a single dime on ads. So guys, what happens, guys? So it's my landing page, right? And on my landing page, I'm offering free training. It's like or kind of lead magnet that I'm just giving for free in exchange of email address. So when somebody put his name and email address, then he goes to my thank you page, guys. And where what I'm doing, guys, I'm just offering my affiliate offer that I show. Well, you can see that, guys. Now, after submitting name and email address, that very person has been taken to my thank you page. And as in my case, I have submitted my name and email address, so I have been taken to my thank you page. And here, what I'm doing, guys, I'm promoting my affiliate offer, and this is one funnel level challenge. So, guys, and here I'm also offering my bonuses, right? You can see my personal coaching, my personal support, my training, book, guys, .com secrets book, expert secrets book, marketing secrets black book, funnel hacker cookbook, my personal coaching with Rachel Ashley, that she's a 6-figure super affiliate, right? So my another personal coaching called recording that I'm offering as a bonus, that is named Jacob Carries, right? If somebody joins one funnel level challenge through me, I will give these bonuses, right? So you can say this is another training that I'm giving away for free, my case study that I'm giving away for free, right? And yeah, it's a case study by 6-figure entrepreneur, right? So that I'm giving away for free, and this is my exact funnel that I'm showing you right now, that I'm going to give for free, guys, with other funnels like Franklin affiliate funnel, affiliate side hustle funnel, one-on-one coaching funnel for free, guys, if somebody joins one funnel level challenge, guys, right? My email swipe files, my 14 best affiliate program, my training, free training, how to create profitable sales funnel. So, guys, you can see that, guys, like these are my bonuses that I'm giving away for free, guys, if someone joins one funnel level challenge through my link. So it's a kind of bonuses that I'm giving away, guys, and you can say it's a kind of extra reason that I'm giving to buy from me only, right? And just to stand out from the competition, I'm giving away my bonuses. You know that, guys, there are so many affiliates, those who are promoting the same product, guys, right? So I have to stand out from that competition. I have to give extra reason to buy from me, right? So this is how we do affiliate marketing, guys, right? Where by creating 2 steps funnel, we promote our affiliate offer, and let us show that, guys. So if somebody click on that link, guys, then he will immediately go to my affiliate offer that I'm promoting, right? And yeah, you can see that, guys, it's one funnel level challenge that I'm promoting, guys, right? So, guys, now you know that, guys, that how to do affiliate marketing, right? Let I show you in simple way, guys. If you are still like don't know, guys, how to do affiliate marketing. Actually, guys, what we do, guys, just simply what we do, we just pick our product, right? And then after applying to affiliate program, we just get our unique affiliate link, right? Let I show you how the link looks like. Yeah, can you see that? So this is the link, you can say. This is my unique affiliate link. If somebody clicks on that link and joins one funnel level challenge, I will be getting $100 commission, right? So now you know how a link looks like, right? So, guys, so after you can say picking my product, for example, I'm into affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing, right? So this is my niche, guys. So in my niche, I pick my product. That is, for example, this is my Clickfunnels, right? And just after applying to their affiliate program, I just pick my link, guys. This is my affiliate link, right? And what I did, guys, I just promoting this product. What I did, I just created a landing page, right? And where I'm offering a free training, right? And yes, and in exchange of my free training, I'm telling them, hey, if you want my free training, put your name and email address, right? So as they put their name and email address, they immediately go to my thank you page, or you can say bridge page, right? And having my video, guys. So here in that video, I'm telling them telling them about my product that I'm promoting, right? And I'm telling them that why they need that very product, right? And how that product gonna help them. So yes, here I'm just putting my, you can say, button or my affiliate link, right? And yes, here I'm also giving away my bonuses, right? So guys, what happens if after picking my affiliate link, what I did, I just created a landing page, right? Or you can say it's a 2-steps funnel, guys. In all, it's a one landing page and it's a thank you page. Thank you. Thank you page. It's a landing page, right? So when somebody put his name and email address, then immediately he goes to my next page, that is thank you page or bridge page, right? And here, this is my affiliate link. And this one is my affiliate link. I just put it here, right? If somebody click on that link, then he will go to my affiliate offer that I'm promoting, right? In my affiliate offer. Right, guys? And yes, guys, then do another good thing, guys, right? I have just created a, you can say, if somebody put his name and email address, then yes, I'm also collecting his email address through autoresponder, guys, right? So for example, guys, it is my autoresponder. Autoresponder, guys, it's a kind of software through which we collect the emails and we also send the emails to our subscriber, guys. Guys, you see that, guys, if somebody doesn't buy right here, then what I can do, guys, I have their email, guys, right? And I can promote that product, right? Or you can say that product through email, guys, right? My drawing is bad, guys, right? So these are my emails, right? That I will keep sending to my subscriber, guys, who submitted his name and email address here, guys, right? So if he doesn't buy here, then yes, I have his email into my autoresponder, and through my autoresponder, I can keep sending my emails having my affiliate link, right, and providing value. In my email, I can offer my that very product or some other product, right? So this is how we do, guys, affiliate marketing, right? So this is the model, guys, that I'm just following that, right? And same thing, guys, if you want to make money online, then yes, affiliate marketing is one of the best way to make money online, right, guys? And so, guys, now you know how to do affiliate marketing and how this system works, right? So, guys, yes, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, guys, then I would highly recommend you guys. Yes, this is a free affiliate bootcamp summit, guys. It's a summit, 4-day summit, where you will be learning from world's top 15 experts or world's top 15 super affiliate, those who are 6-figure super affiliate, right? And they are going to reveal their exact plan of 100 days, right? Like what they will do on day 1 to start their affiliate marketing business, and what on day 2, what they will do on day 3, what they will do, and till 100th day, they will be telling you that, okay, this is my exact plan, right? From day 1 to day 100, right? And this is what they will do to start their affiliate marketing business from the scratch, guys. So, guys, if you want to learn everything about affiliate marketing business, then yes, guys, this free affiliate bootcamp summit is for you, right? Down below, I'm just putting the link so that you can go and join this free affiliate bootcamp summit, right, guys? So, guys, I think I have covered everything. Yep. So, guys, now you know how to make money online, guys, right? And now you also know that my #1 way to make money online, and that is affiliate marketing, right? So, guys, if you like this video, please do like, share, and comment, guys. And yes, if there is anything that I can help in your business, please do let me know, right? And comment in the comment section right below. and I will answer if you have any question. And yes guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because on daily basis or you can say on alternative basis, I put up some great training that is helpful in our affiliate marketing business. Right guys, so just go and subscribe to my channel. Right guys, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you and have a nice day. Bye bye.